This is Kirk at Strutmasters.com. Today we're doing a rear install on a GMC Yukon. These are the tools you're going to need. You're going to need an impact gun with a couple of impact sockets, maybe a 3/8 ratchet with a socket for that, a pair of needle nose pliers, and maybe an adjustable wrench. Remove the wheels. Remove this airline by removing this clip. And then pull the airline out. Disconnect the electrical connector. You can take a pair of pliers and pull it out from the frame. And to disconnect, push up on this white tab, squeeze it, pull it out. Raise the jack underneath the rear axle to take pressure off the mounting points. Next, remove the top bolt of the shock. You need to hold the back of the bolt with something, and you can't really see it, but you can get a socket and a ratchet on it to hold it, like so. Then remove the lower bolt. Hold the back of the bolt with an adjustable or a 21. Loosen the nut. Remove this bolt. And remove the bottom bolt. Then you can remove the shock. Your new shock, new magnet rod shock, put it in place and insert the top bolt through the back. Place the nut back on. You can get it on. And tighten the same way as removal. Stick a socket on the back side. Might have to feel it with your other hand. Get it on there. And replace your bottom bolt. Tighten it up. Reconnect the electrical connector. Plug it back into the factory harness. Make sure it's in there nice and tight. And then you can just tie this up above the frame on the factory harness. Keep it out of the way. Reattach your airline to the magnetic shock. One little trick about these is the clip that you took off. If you install this before you put the airline back on, it will slide right into place. Remove the jack from underneath the rear axle. Reinstall the wheels back on the vehicle.